Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 3 winter hair care tips for relaxed hair. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So my first tip in caring for your hair during the winter would be to add more moisture. So in the winter it's colder, the air is drier, and it sucks a lot of moisture out of your hair. So what I like to do is to alter my routine just a little bit to add some more moisture to my hair to compensate for the colder month. And the way that I add moisture to my routine is by co-washing every other week. So I've posted my full wash day routine. I will link that video down below in case you guys have not seen it. But in that video I show you guys just like my basic wash day routine, what it looks like from week to week. However, in the winter time I do skip one of those regular wash day routines and I replace my shampoo and conditioner with co-washing, and then I replace also my strengthening leave-in conditioner with a moisture only leave-in conditioner. So that's my way of like adding just an extra boost of moisture to my hair during the winter season. Number 2 would be to limit your use of heat. Now I'm a person, I don't really like to use heat on my hair. I rarely do. Now if you're a person who do it often, maybe you use heat twice a month, I would limit that to maybe once a month, just so you're not using too much heat on your hair. Heat can dry your hair out, and the colder, drier air in the winter added onto your use of heat is definitely going to make your hair extremely dry. So you kind of want to tone down your usage of heat. And my third and final tip, protect your hair from knits. So like your knitted scarf and your knitted caps, you want to protect your hair from those. The way that I do that is if I am going to be wearing like a knitted scarf, I keep my hair up. Today I wasn't actually wearing a knitted scarf. I wore like a regular scarf. It wasn't that cold outside, but it was super windy, and when it's windy I like to keep my hair up because the wind has its way with my hair, and you don't want to see my hair after a windy day. It's just not cute. So I like to put my hair in a bun on a windy day. So yeah, that's why my hair is up. But if you're wearing like a knitted scarf, you know, your hair drags on the scarf and it breaks your hair ends off. You want to keep your hair up and off of your scarf, off of your sweater, and those knitted caps, honey. I know these knit caps are designed to keep our heads warm during the winter. Of course we all need that, and those can tear your hair out. Personally speaking, I don't really see my hair ripped off into any of the hats, but some people do experience that. A way to combat that would be to use satin lined caps, and I know those are super expensive as well, because I went to try to buy one and it was like $35, and I'm like, who is going to pay $35 for a winter hat? Like, that is absolutely ridiculous. So I thought of this idea. Initially I thought to use like a satin scarf or a silk scarf and line my hat on the inside with it, but then I'm like, that is so much work. Why not just use like a silk bonnet? So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and sew my bonnet inside of my hat. And I decided to look it up on YouTube because I thought about doing a video on it, but I looked and there's already videos on YouTube on this, so I will link my favorite video down below that I like for this idea. And this is just one of my hats, and you can see here that, I mean, the hat is black and my bonnet is black. I don't know why I chose this one to show you guys, but yeah, you can see right here that this is my bonnet on the inside of my hat. So yeah, sewing like a bonnet on the inside of your hat is a super affordable idea, and it protects your hair just the same. That's it from me today, guys. If you have any additional winter hair care tips that you'd like to share with everyone, you can leave those in the comment section down below. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.